Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the school details ready, so begin by opening the official Udise Plus portal or your state education MIS. Type the exact school name and select the state and district to narrow results. Once done, use the PIN code or locality filter to reduce duplicates. This matters when several schools share similar names. Make sure to switch to the desktop view if the mobile layout hides search filters, because precise filters speed up finding the correct Udise number. Once initial results appear, refine using cluster, management type, and school category filters to isolate the exact record. Inspect each candidate by checking head teacher name, establishment year, and full address. These confirming details show why one entry is correct versus another. If the portal shows a partial record, open the full profile and look for the 11 or 12-digit Udise Plus code. Make sure you note any alternate names listed, because some records use abbreviations or after locating the Udise Plus code, write it down, take a screenshot, and export the profile if the portal allows. This prevents future researching. If the number is missing, duplicated, or looks incorrect, contact the district MIS officer or state Udise help desk with your evidence. They can request a data correction. One troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or try a different browser if search filters act strangely, because stale sessions sometimes hide recent updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.